Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish tank water clear. First, identify the specific cause of the cloudiness, as different issues require different solutions. Next, ensure you are performing regular partial water changes to remove accumulated waste. Proper filtration is also crucial for maintaining water quality. Finally, be mindful of your feeding habits to prevent excess food from polluting the tank. Following these steps will lead to a crystal clear aquarium. Understanding the type of cloudiness helps you address the root problem. Green water is typically caused by an algae bloom, often due to too much light or excess nutrients. White or gray cloudiness usually points to a bacterial bloom, common in new tanks or after a filter disturbance. Brown or yellow water often results from tannins released by driftwood or decaying organic matter. Identifying the color helps you choose the right solution for your aquarium. Regular water changes are fundamental for clear water. Aim to change about 25% of your tank's water weekly to remove nitrates and other pollutants. Proper filtration is equally vital. Clean your filter media regularly, but avoid replacing all of it simultaneously to preserve beneficial bacteria. Ensure your filter provides both mechanical and biological filtration. For stubborn cloudiness, a quality water clarifier can offer a temporary, quick solution. Your feeding habits significantly impact water clarity. Feed your fish small amounts 2 times daily, only what they can consume within 5 minutes. Promptly remove any uneaten food to prevent decomposition. Regularly vacuuming your gravel, ideally monthly, helps remove trapped waste and debris. Finally, consistently test your water parameters weekly to ensure a balanced environment. These practices will help maintain a healthy, clear aquarium for your fish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.